Alright, so this morning we're out here getting my visa back, aka passport.
This would be the king. No, there's two of them.
So guys, when I got back, found out my AC unit is broken. That's fun. So we just called the people to see if they can come fix the AC. They're not answering, so there's no guarantee that the AC will be fixed today. No big deal. What can you do? Good news, the guys picked up and we're gonna get my AC hopefully fixed. They're coming in about 30 minutes. Hopefully they can do me a solid and fix it. Butterfly. Okay, so the guys who came to fix it, they came late, so we are just now going to run. And it might get dark while we run. I don't really know. But at least we're going to run. So we're transporting this bush for Ya's brother. How do you grab it? Oh my gosh, okay. All right.
And there you go.
So dark out here, but we just finished and we forgot water, so we're going really fast home to get water. It's a good run. We're out here at Cafe Eden, just hanging out, having a good time. We already ordered our food, so I'm walking down here to get some corn for a snack later after we're done eating. It's pretty great. This corn here is amazing. Here it is. Did I see? We got a snack and across the street. Hey, I got the corn, Luke.
October 1st, or not even October yet.
So we came to the Heng Chai Li market store place because there's a holiday coming up this weekend and everything's closing down, so we're stocking up before everything closes down. This music is great. Alright guys, so things have been getting pretty intense around here, so they had to up the security.